I created this social media design for 10 minutes with a free tool. If you're creating a business online, you need visuals to support your marketing efforts and connect with your audience. In this tutorial, I'll be discussing on how to use the free version of CANVA. CANVA is an online design tool that can be used for creating presentations, social media posts, and many more. CANVA is an excellent platform for those who want to create professional-looking designs without having to hire a graphic designer or without any technical or design skills. Let's take a look at how you can use CANVA's free version to create beautiful social media designs. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna demonstrate how you can create 3 different social media designs in under 10 minutes. So let's jump in. For CANVA free version, you don't have the access for the background removal. So we're gonna use remove.bg as an alternative. So this website is particularly useful to remove any background image for free. The white background which was displayed previously has been removed and you can download immediately. So this is how it looks like, and the file that you will see is in PNG format. Let's head to canva.com, and the main page will display the various options for your content production. So we are doing social media design, so we're just gonna capitalize on both social media and video tab. So for the first demo, I'm gonna show you how to create a social media post for Instagram. The first thing you do is to click on the social media tab, hover over to the Instagram option, and select Instagram posts. So I'm going to select the color selection for my social media posts. I'm going to use lime green. Over to the left, we have a panel which include elements. Here we have graphics that you can include in your design, such as lines and shapes, stickers, text, and even uploads. So I'm gonna add a few things to make this social media pop. Okay, so I'm gonna hover to the elements tab and type in sale. So I'm gonna select this sales graphic over here, and I can also include interesting images like this shopping bag. If you find that this sales is hidden by another image, what you can do is to click on this selection, right click, and arrange it to bring it forward. Make it this wording smaller. So the next, I'm gonna upload the photo of the sneakers, whereby I have removed the background into the design, and I'm gonna just place the shoe over here. So once you are satisfied with the design layout, you can download this image into your desktop. So click on the share button and move over your cursor to the download tab. Click on download. I'm gonna select JPEG because that's the best format for social media posting. Click on download to save it on your desktop. This is what we got for our first design, and it is definitely a great visual representation. So this is one example of how you can leverage on CANVA's free version to produce eye-catching social media image for your online store. Next, I'm gonna show you how to do an interactive ad for your IG story. The first thing you have to do is hover to this social media tab, select Instagram story. So for this example, I'm going to choose a template instead. We have a template which is quite perfect for our sneaker ad, and as you can see here, there are different text displays around the canvas here. Change this to something else. March sale, because this is the month of March. You can decrease the font size. You can also change the font type to something else. Let's make a small adjustment here. Let's remove this text and just align it to the top of the ad. You can also adjust the line spacing if you want, or even the letter spacing to make it more visible. You can also change the color. Since we select lime green in the previous example, I'm going to select the same also. Replace this photo of these sneakers to the Nike sneakers that we have, but we have to remove the sneakers here and change to the chosen one. Perhaps we can make some amendments to the discount, save up to maybe 20%. This is how it looks like after you have customized the visual ad, but unfortunately it looks pretty dull since it's static. So what you can do is do a little animation by clicking on this animate tab here. You can use combinational selection for your ad. Over here I can choose party or disco if I want to, or even just basic options for your ad. For this example, I'm going to select party animation just so that it will pop. So for this example, I have the option to save it as an MP4 file or a GIF file. Click on download button. The suggested save option is MP4 video, or you can choose a GIF as a short clip. So I'm going to click on the download button. After it is downloaded, you can preview the file again, and this is how it looks like. As you can see here, it is pretty much interactive, and you can post it on your Instagram stories. So for the last example, I'm going to show you how to create a TikTok video. So let's hover to the video tab and select the TikTok video option. So for this final example, I'm gonna use a template specifically for TikTok. I'm gonna make some customization, make some changes, March sale, and change this to a suitable font. We'll definitely stick with the lime green text, and we do so for our banner here. And perhaps I'm gonna change this to something else, 20% to make it more consistent. And I'm gonna include the similar Nike photo that we have edited earlier on and just include in the ad. Alternatively, you can include another page. Just click on this canvas and change the color to lime green to stay consistent. Hover to the elements tab to select a suitable elements, preferably a shoe related image. So for this example, I'm just gonna input a website and context. Once you're satisfied with the layout, you can preview for another time and just to make sure that everything is in order. So once it's done, just click on the share button and download the video as an MP4, which is the suitable format for TikTok. And there you have it, 3 social media designs in under 10 minutes. I hope this tutorial on how to use the free version of Canva has been very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and reviews. Give us a like, and I'll see you next time.